This video will provide a detailed guide on how to delete WhatsApp contacts on iPhone, helping you manage your WhatsApp contacts more efficiently. Part 1. How to delete WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. Step 1. Locate and tap the WhatsApp icon on your iPhone, then go to the Chats tab. Step 2. To delete a conversation, select the chat thread you want to remove. Step 3. Tap the person's name at the top to open the chat info screen. Step 4. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Step 5. This will open the standard iOS contact editing interface. Scroll down to the bottom. Step 6. Tap the red Delete Contact button. Step 7. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete Contact again to confirm. Note, if you've synced this contact with your phone by enabling WhatsApp contacts, they will also be removed from your phone's address book. Deleting a contact will not remove the chat history you have with them. To delete the chat history, go to the Chats tab, swipe left on the specific chat, then tap More Delete Chat. Part 2. How to block WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. If you'd rather not delete a contact from your phone, but still want to stop receiving messages from them on WhatsApp, you can block the contact instead. To block a contact from the chat screen, Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Step 2. Enter the chat of the person you want to block. Step 3. Tap the contact's name at the top to access profile info. Step 4. Scroll down and select Block Contact. Step 5. Confirm your decision. To block a contact from settings. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Settings, Account Privacy. Step 3. Tap Blocked. Step 4. Select Add New. Step 5. Choose the contact you want to block. Step 6. The contact is now fully blocked and cannot reach you. Tips: if you want to unblock the contact, just swipe left on any contact and tap Unblock to remove them from the list. Part 3. How to delete blocked WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. Blocking a contact will not remove them from your iPhone's address book. If you want to delete a blocked WhatsApp contact on your iPhone, follow the steps below. Step 1. Go to WhatsApp Settings, Privacy, Blocked. Step 2. Tap the contact's name, Edit, Delete Contact. Part 4. How to permanently erase WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. Deleting or blocking a contact doesn't permanently remove their data, as fragments may remain on your device and could be recovered with specialized software. To fully erase WhatsApp contacts before selling or giving away your iPhone, you need a secure data erasure method. Coolmuster iOS Eraser offers a professional solution to completely wipe contact data, ensuring it cannot be recovered and protecting your privacy. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device, and the main interface will appear, ready for data erasure. Step 2. Click the Erase button. Choose your preferred security level, low, medium, or high, and confirm by clicking OK. Step 3. When prompted, type Delete to confirm, then click Erase again. A final confirmation will appear. Click OK to start the permanent deletion process. Step 4. Once the process is finished, all data on your device will be permanently erased and unrecoverable. You can now set up your iPhone as new.